What's up YouTube? Welcome to Chef Fitzy Kitchen, and today I have a super easy recipe for you. Today I'm making two medium-sized one love pizza. Alright, I'm using the ackee and the saltfish to make this pizza. So let me introduce some of my ingredients to you. I have one nice medium-sized chopped up tomato there that I'm using. I'm using a little black pepper there, also a medium-sized scotch bonnet, and also some green onion with some thyme. Alright, I'm gonna use also some julienne strip white onion and also some julienne strip bell pepper, which is the green, the yellow, and the orange. Alright, there I have my saltfish that I cooked earlier, and just to get rid of some of the salt and some of the brine, so it's ready to go into the ackee. And the order of the day, the ackee and the ackee, well cooked and ready already. So we have also some vegetable oil that we're using. So stay tuned, let me show you what I go on in the kitchen.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible, believe.
What you mean?
If I can do it, you can spread your wings.
Do it.
Nothing is impossible.
Alright, welcome back. So here we have our pot heated on medium heat. We're going in with about 2 to 3 teaspoons of our vegetable cooking oil. Alright, so we're gonna let our vegetable cooking oil heated for about 5 to 10 seconds, and then we're gonna go in with our saltfish. So now we're gonna put in our saltfish after our pot heated. The reason why I'm going with my saltfish first, because I like to get that firm texture on my saltfish. Alright, so whenever you try to cook out the brine from the saltfish, your saltfish tends to get soft. So for you to be able to get back that firm texture, you have to ensure that you're going with your saltfish first. So I add a pinch of black pepper just to get a nice little flavor there. As you can see, I'm just trying to get those big pieces of saltfish break up, and then I gradually turn it to get that nice texture that I'm looking for. Alright, after that I'm gonna go in with my white onion. Alright, so you can see my freshly julienne strip medium sized onion I put in the pan. Gonna stir and kind of give it that beautiful caramelize. Alright, so I'm not gonna try to overcook my ackee and saltfish, because remember I'm gonna put it on the dough to put it into the oven. Alright, so when it go into the oven, it will basically get the final cook. So let's go in now with our scotch bonnet. Alright, so the scotch bonnet kind of give that nice spicy look, spicy taste that you're looking for, and give it a nice taste. Alright, so going with our scotch bonnet, and we gradually turn it. We're going to go in also with our red onion, medium size red onion. I kind of remove some of the seeds, so I'm basically using mainly the skin part of the red onion. Alright, so now let's go in with our bell pepper, our orange, green, and yellow bell pepper. Alright, so each of these bell pepper give it a different taste. Alright, one of them is the yellow one, have that sweety taste, that the green one have that nice aroma, and the red one have that kind of peppery taste. Alright, even though it's not the pepper with the heat, it giving a nice taste. So we stir it gradually for about 2 minutes, and then we're gonna add our ackee. Alright, so we're going with our ackee now. So this is the time we're going to take our time, because we doesn't want to break our ackee to that. And then we're going to add another pinch of that black pepper on our ackee to give it that nice firm taste. Alright, so we're going to gradually stir it now, just for another minute or two, to ensure that our ackee is nicely coated and cooked down. Alright, so we take our time, because we don't want to break up the ackee too much, yeah? Because we're not cooking ackee porridge. If there was a ackee porridge. So let's go in with our green onion to give it that final look that we're looking for. So that's our green onion, and our little bit of fresh thyme that we're using. Alright, so our ackee there gonna cook down like for another minute. As I said, we're not gonna overcook it, and then we're gonna bring it to our pizza dough, and then we're gonna put it on the pizza dough. Alright, there our ackee ready. Alright, so this is our pizza dough that we prepared on. As you can see, 2 medium-sized pizza dough. We're using our pizza sauce there, as you can see. Alright, so let's put our pizza sauce in the middle of our dough. We're going to try to spread it in the middle there. So we're not going to go extreme to the end, because we're going to use our egg wash to the end of our pizza. Alright, as you can see, I'm doing 2 pizza. I'm doing one with cheese and one without cheese. Alright, so let's spread all of our sauce over our 2 pizza there. Nicely ensure that all the dough is covered with the sauce, but we're going to leave out the end part of the dough. Alright, so let's go in with our egg wash. We're going to do the end part of our dough with our egg wash. So let's nicely coat the end part of our pizza. The reason why we coat the end part of the dough is to protect it, to ensure that it have that crispy, crunchy end part of the dough. You know, sometimes you eat some pizza and the end part is so tough because they didn't put any egg wash on it. Alright, so let's go in with our ackee and our saltfish now. We're going to put it in the extreme middle of the dough. Yeah, so let's go in with it. As I said, we're doing one with cheese and one without cheese. Just want to taste the difference with it, with one with cheese and one without cheese. Not everybody is a fan of cheese, so you have to ensure that you cater for everyone in your household. As my little nephew would say, uncle, kids have rights too. Alright, so you have to ensure that everybody in your household enjoy your pizza when you make it. Alright, so we kindly spread our ackee and our saltfish out on our dough, and then we're going to go in with the Parmesan shredded cheese. Alright, so nicely add the Parmesan shredded cheese to one of our pizza, and then we're going to leave one without cheese, because as I said, not everybody eat cheese. Alright, I'm using also some sweet corn on our pizza. I like to taste that nice sweet corn on my pizza. Alright, as I said, this is the One Love pizza that I'm making, the Jamaican One Love. So I'm putting a lot of love in it, guys. You're gonna see it. So after this, I'm gonna put it in my oven. I have my oven there preheating on about 260 degrees Fahrenheit. You're gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. So there you can see I have it in the oven there for 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna remove it. After 15 minutes, you can see remove our pizza, guys. Look at it. Look at how beautiful them is, guys. Yeah, man, our One Love pizza. Yeah, one with cheese and one without cheese. Ackee and saltfish pizza. I'm telling you guys, the kids gonna love it. Yeah, man. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and cut our pizza. Alright, and let you guys see it. Look how beautiful our pizza look, guys. Look how beautiful our pizza is. So we're cutting the one with the cheese. So as you can see, easy pizza make and Fitz's cooking show. I hope you guys continue to subscribe to Chef Fitzroy on YouTube and on Facebook. I'm out. Love on you.
Hey, don't worry.
Static Entertainment.
Spread your wings. Nothing is impossible.